Good morning, boys and girls. Pre-K 102 virtual learners. That's you, Eliani, Sofia, Esmeralda, Violet, and Pablo. Pablo's doing it just for a few days, okay? How was your day yesterday? Well, mine was stressful, and that's why I was tired and I didn't record anything for you. So I'm sorry, but, the teacher gets tired. We all do. But let's begin today, shall we? Look through my window, and who do I see? Eliani, Sophia, and Violet looking at me. Hello, 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 and how are you? I'm fine, and I hope that you are too. Look through my window, and who do I see? Pablo, Esmeralda, and Mr. Rodriguez looking at me. Hello, 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 and how are you? I'm fine, and I hope that you are too. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. You know what really impressed me yesterday is when I asked the children, what month are we in? And one of them said September, September, September. I also asked one of them to say, what's the first letter in September? And they said S. Then came the hard question. What sound does S make? And somebody said S. I was so proud of my in-person students. And not only that, I asked them, so what's the last letter in September? And somebody said R. Then I gave them the hard question. What's the sound of the letter R? Do you know? Because somebody did. Good if you did. And if you didn't, try again. It's like when a lion roars, like Okay? Let's count our numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, y hoy es 17. Let's do it in English, shall we? 1, 2, oops, sorry, I said it in Spanish again. Let's do it in English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Today is 17. Now, yesterday, my in-person did recognize the 16 in Spanish was the next one. But in English, nobody knew it. And that's okay. That's okay, because that means you have a space to learn. And that's what we want to do. We want to learn. So let's write the number 17. Okay? El 17. And we go with the poem. We recite the poem. Ready? Down you run, and 1 is done. That's the easiest one. Then, straight across, slide down from heaven. That's the way to make a 7. Again, straight across, slide down from heaven. That's the way to make a 7. Today is Thursday, and Thursday goes with September 17, 2020. Say it with me. Today is Thursday, September 17, 2020. And what's the weather? What's the weather? What can it be? What can it be? Does anybody know? Does anybody know? What can it be? What can it be? Look outside. I I don't see the sun. What's the weather outside? It is what? It is cloudy. Yes, it is. So let's bring our dog with his clothes ready. Remember, the season that's coming as of Monday is the season of fall. So we're still in the season of summer, but I'm not going to put summer because fall is coming. Now, we said it's cloudy, so this is a cloud. It means it's cloudy. The sun does come out, but we don't see it when it's a cloudy day. And you should always wear a sweater, especially as the fall is coming in. A sweater with a zipper will be very good for you. Some of them have a pullover. You pull it over your head. That's fine. But zippers are really important because they're teaching you how to put it on and take it off. Okay? So, the weather is what? Cloudy and cool. Cloudy and cool. All right? So, I was having a question, and probably this is something that you can answer. Let me put some light in here because it looks too dark. Now it looks better, right? My question for you is, are you having a hard time trying to get into Google Meet with me? If so, we need to fix that. Okay? Number 2, are you doing all the homework? Do you know what is the color of the week? I'm wearing it. What is this color? Exactly. Blue, azul. And the number of this week is what? 2. Exactly. So you need to do your activities and get it done. Because those of you who did do it, I already checked it. And I gave you your report card or your done email that you have finished what you need to do. So my advice for you is keep on working because you're supposed to work. Your job is to come to school, do your homework, and that's it. You don't have to clean, you don't have to wash, you don't have to make food, you don't need to go to the supermarket, you don't need to go to the doctor, you don't need to pay bills, you don't need to go to work. You don't have to do anything. So please, virtual learners, make it possible for you. I want to start showing you and teaching you about the letters of the alphabet and sounds and the numbers. But I need to have some kind of test or assessment that tells me what is it that you know individually by yourself. So, what I'm going to do is at some time, I'm going to schedule a time to do Google Meet with you so that I can hear you and I can see what you're able to recognize and understand. If you're able to do a lot of what I'm expecting, then you're going to be ahead of the rest of the class that's inside the building. Because I can work with you a little faster. And then your homework will be very different. Okay? There's a reason why I gave you a laminated alphabet, a laminated skyletter formation. Okay? It is not for you to put it there and decorate the classroom. It is for you to work and learn. I want you to start now playing with your Play-Doh using dough cutters that I gave you. Make Play-Doh part of your day. Make Epic part of your reading. And make happy numbers part of your assessment and your work for math. You need to do all of that because that is your work. That's your online work. You can do it from a tablet. You can do it from a computer, laptop, and If you have any questions or anything that you need to ask, please let me know, and I will help you. Alright? So it's time to go. Have fun. And remember, smart is not something you are. Smart is something you get. Okay.